Hi, my name is Ángel Domínguez. I'm a freelance translator living in Lorca, Spain. I have translated stuff like this, or this, and probably one of the apps on your iPhone. So welcome to the lesson for week 2 of Introduction to Music Production. I'll be demonstrating how to set up, record, and quantize a MIDI sequence with Logic Pro. Now I'm only using a virtual piano for this exercise, so I select Empty Project. For the first track, I will select Software Instrument, leaving the Open Library option enabled to find the one I need more easily. Now let's click on Create. From the library, I load this beautifully sounding Steinway piano that comes with Logic Pro. This instrument is actually a sampler called EXS24. The metronome will help us stay on time while recording, and there are a few options that allow you to adjust it. For instance, you can have it sound only during the count-off. In the Recording tab, I like to set the count-off to last for 2 bars, just to give me a bit of extra time to prepare. I haven't practiced this song, so I'll record the notes played by the left hand and then the right hand. I will be playing this in a somewhat sloppy manner, so that quantization will be more noticeable. I hit record, and here comes the count-off. That's it. Let's stop recording. Now before quantizing this, let's record the right hand. Let's open the recording options so that my new take is merged with the selected region. Back to the top and hit record. Done! Now let's hear it again. The timing on most of the notes is really off, so let's fix this with the Quantization Tool. First I have to open the piano roll window. Both takes were merged, so the 2 parts, both the left hand and the right hand, can be seen here at the same time. The Quantization Tool appears in the top left corner. First I will set the strength, which is in the Advanced Quantization submenu. The option is called Q Intensity. Now I'll set it to a really high value, say 70%. This timing is really important in this piece. We'll select quantization to the 16th note, which works best for this particular song. Now let's hear the results. Much better, except for the second to last note of the melody. I can just fix that by moving it to its right start point. Now let's have a look at a couple of continuous controllers, the sustain pedal and note velocity. This one is the sustain pedal controller. As you can see, I released the pedal and I pressed it again at the beginning of each bar, except for the second one, so I will just draw a new release and press off the pedal. The pedal is basically a switch, on and off, so the only proper values are either 0 when it is released or 127 when it is pressed. I will switch to the velocity controller through this menu. Now you can see the velocities of all the notes I've played. If I wanted to increase the velocity of a particular note, I can just select its velocity value and then move it to the desired new level. That note should be louder now. These are really common actions. You will use them constantly while working on a project, no matter what DAW you use. Especially today with the incredible amount of software synthesizers and instruments and samplers that are available. So that concludes my lesson for this week. Thanks a lot for watching.